Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel 6 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can insert a SIM card into this phone. Now, before we get started, you'll need to grab one of these things, a SIM eject tool, which comes provided with the device and the box. So once you have that, you can pop out the SIM tray, which is located on the semi-bottom left side of the device, as you can see where the pen is holding right now. Push it in, and the tray should come out just ever so slightly enough for you to take it out. And in here you will have space for just a single SIM card. So place it on the tray. There we go. And then put it back into the device. And as you can see, it automatically starts working. So here I need to put in my PIN. And there we go. So the SIM card is now working, and that is how you would insert it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.